Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the front lower control arm on Mercedes E-Class W212. The control arm that I'm going to be replacing is this one right there. It's held by two bolts, one over there where the bushing is. We can see the bushing is torn, and on the other side where the ball joint is. We'll start by removing the wheel. Now to remove the control, we're going to remove this nut right there and also that bolt right there. In order to remove that bolt, we need to lower those plastic covers so that we can get access to the bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the plastic covers are lowered, we have access to the bolt, so this is the bolt right there that we need to remove. We start by removing the nut for the ball joint right there. Next we're going to remove the control arm from the ball joint. We're going to use a ball joint separator. Now we're going to tighten the separator until it separates the control arm from the ball joint. And that's the control arm separated from the ball joint. Now we're going to remove the nut and start removing the bolt on the other side of the control arm. Before we remove the bolt on the other side of the control arm, first we're going to remove this small thing for the level of the headlights. We're going to remove that. It's held by one bolt, and then we're going to take out the control arm. Now we're going to remove the bolt holding the control arm on the inside. And when we remove the bolt, we can take out the control arm. Putting the control arm on the car is exactly the reverse way as removing it. First we're going to put the inner bolt in, then we're going to put it on the ball joint. Don't tighten the control arm all the way, leave it to be loose until you put the ball joint, the other side of the control arm on the ball joint. After you put the control arm onto the ball joint, put the nut on and get a transmission jack and lift up the whole suspension. When you lift up the whole suspension, then you can tighten the nut on the ball joint. It will be much easier, and you have to lift this whole suspension all the way before tightening the inner bolt of the control arm. This way, when the car is on the ground, there will be no pressure on the inner bushing of the control arm because it's tightened in a way like a car is on level ground. So now I'm going to tighten the nut on the ball joint. And now I'm going to lift up the suspension a little bit more, and I will tighten the other bolt on the inner side of the control arm. After we tighten that bolt, then all we have left is to tighten the plastic panels and also this lever for the headlight level control, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.